not falling into the trap yokubana you become something xa sowucircumcisiwe. Let me tell you something today. You are intact. There is no part of your body that you do not need. You need that foreskin. Akusi junk yokulahlwa yokukhishwa ngoba nakho you want to avoid izifo. There is only one way to avoid izifo. You must be in control. You must remain in control. Ijwabu lakho leli, hold on to it with your dear life. Why leli jwabu lifuna ukukhishwa kangaka? Nize niconvince ukuthi you are gonna have less work to do to clean it and all of that, and you are gonna contract izifo. How are you gonna contract izifo? Uzothola izifo if wena uzinakekele. Vula ijwabu lakho, uligeze, ufundise nabanye abantu ukuthi leli jwabu ligezwa kanjani. Hlamba ijwabu lakho mfana osesikoleni. Refuse ubana unqanyulwe, uamputate a part of your body. El jwabu kuthi nayi business card eduze kwami. El jwabu size when you spread it. It's a size a little bit bigger than a business card. Why would you not need that part of you? Why kumele kwenziwe le surgery to remove such a sensitive part of yourself where all the nerve endings enter? Hey? Maybe lento yenu i-area nje futhi ebinganilidela ngazi somewhere, because it's got one of the most nerve endings. Size business card or spread as all seeking. It's got stem cells. Stem cells that are used to rebuild even a tooth, to rebuild a limb. Ziyaphi ayaphi lamajwabu enu asenwakhuphi nyawalahla nje niwalahlela kuphi? andiyazi process, guys. Maybe akuthethi mina kwangoku andiyazi process yalamajwabu alahlwa kuphi. They have a very high number of stem cells, lamajwabu. They have many nerve endings. You feel what you are doing through nerve endings. So how we seek our jwabu, you should think about you enjoying izinto with that extra edge nje. And why would you take that off you? It's like lento yokucircumcise the girls. You circumcise the girls, une extra edge ezingayifili. Why are we not? Guys, ndicela uyibamba apho. Ndiyaholela une nina mazulu eningabothathekile uthi makuthiwa iwale niyele. Ndiyabulela. You are intact. You are not uncircumcised. That is your limb you were born with. God put it there on purpose, and He knew He had a use for it later in your life. Aqhamukaphi lama prostate cancer? Aqhamukaphi lama prostate cancer much, my daughter? Iqhamukaphi lento yokubana abantu besilisa xa sebekhulile ayisebenzi le yanto? Beyond 37 seyinobuthakathaka, beyond 40 seyinobuthakathaka, beyond 50 seyinobuthakathaka. Iqhamukaphi lonto? What if pha kwijwabu your youthfulness to rebuild you again and to heal your sicknesses and keep rebuilding your body? What if it's there, kwela jwabu? What if it multiplies over the years to keep you healthy? wena ujaha uba ukwazi ukulala nenkazana ezininzi, so you'd rather take it off so that you can go shooting it everywhere and not contract diseases. Hey, clean your thing. Clean ijwabu lakho liphiwe uNkulunkulu, the God Almighty, the big one apha phezulu osinike amadlebe namakhala nayo yonke into, ukunike nejwabu. Ukunike nejwabu. Why is ijwabu lakho under attack? Why is ijwabu lakho budi under attack? And it comes as hayi uzaba indoda, uzaba injani, uzaba high ranking community. Why ijwabu lakho is under attack? Bangoku umntwana ufe ispine ebuya ko circumcise. Ucircumcise ezikole. Why is ijwabu lakho bhuti li under attack? Abasebesusile ijwabu. We love you, my brothers. You knew nothing and you still believe in what you were doing. And I love you for that. Always have your belief in whatever you are doing and stand by it to the end. But don't argue with me today. Maungenalo ijwabu siyakubongela. Yes, angilwi nawe. Maungenalo awunalo. And if you still believe what you did the right thing, it's fine. If you believe what your senses never changed after taking off ijwabu, it's fine. God bless you. We love you. We are not criticizing you. But laba bangalikhipanga ngiyabaphakamisa today. Ngiyabaphakamisa. Phakamelani phezulu. Be proud of ijwabu lakho. Be proud of ijwabu lakho. Ijwabu lakho is important. It will save your life. I don't know how yet, but somebody will figure it out someday. And imshiyapho. Ndiyanthanda jwabu or jwabu less. Ndiyanthanda nonke.